Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you if your iPhone battery is boosted or not. So make sure that knowing if this is real or not, then we want to go to head on our settings and find now the option of the battery, which is above the privacy option. So let's tap on it, and in here you'll be getting an information of your battery health. So let's tap on our battery health. Now we have three options in here. You can see the maximum capacity of your phone, the peak performance capability, and also optimized battery charging. Now this is what you're seeing if your iPhone battery is boosted. However, if it's not, then you'll be getting this error. So I took a screenshot. An important battery message that unable to verify this iPhone that is a genuine Apple battery. So health information not available for this battery. And Apple has updated the device information for this iPhone. So make sure that you are not going to use any third party when using iPhone battery, so that you will not be getting this kind of error from your end. For more updates, we'll just be notifying you again in this page. So if this helps, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.